Z Empire Auto. Our service, genuinely different.
BF Film Ceramic Tint protects you from sun's UV rays from damaging your skin yet reducing the interior fading and gives you a cooling comfort. Choose the tint you deserve. Choose wisely. Choose BF Film Ceramic Tint. Renowned in Thailand. Free removal of existing tint. Free installation. Up to 8 years warranty. Dark outside, clear inside.
Thank you, dear client, for trusting our product and services. This Kia Carnival 2023 invest with BF Film Ceramic Supreme Plus. It has 99% heat rejection. Client opted light shade for front windshield, front side and sunroof. Then medium for rear windows.
To schedule an appointment, please send us a message or call us at mobile number, Smart, 0947914639. Dito, 0992-374-7609. Sun, 092558905512. Telephone number, 7255-1038. Waze or Google, Z Empire Auto Accessories Shop. Address, 87 Don Manuel Street Corner D.Tuazon, Quezon City.